My name is Eli Harris and I'm the co-founder of EcoFlow. Today I want to thank you guys personally for pre-ordering Delta on our Kickstarter campaign. Here at EcoFlow, we have a vertically integrated supply chain and we own our own factory. Today I want to take you guys on a tour and show you the progress that we've made with your support. And this is also where I've been living for the past month. Officially welcome to the EcoFlow Delta factory. Here on my left, you'll see where our PCB boards are programmed. And on the back of the PCB board, the inverter is seamlessly integrated onto the product. The PCB is really the brain of the Delta product. And the inverter is what gives us our AC power and also serves as the extreme recharge capability, which gives Delta the fastest recharge time on the market. Our first station in the assembly line is the battery pack assembly. Here you can see one of our teammates carefully placing each of the 140 cylindrical cells into the battery pack. And this machine here carefully screens and sorts every single battery cell for quality, safety, and consistency. These trays are filled with the final assembled battery pack. It's cased in fireproof material with structural integrity. As we go down the line, you'll see when the battery pack is integrated with the PCB in the inverter. And finally, you'll see as Delta is cased into its rugged shell and the final product is almost ready. And here you have it. These are the final assembled Deltas that are almost ready to ship to you. And if you'll just follow me here, I'm going to take you to the most important room in our entire factory. Before each product ships, it's thoroughly tested for quality and safety. No product leaves this factory without going through this aging screening. And once again, I want to thank you for ordering Delta and making our dream a reality and supporting us in our mission to bring this product to all places around the planet, to the people who need it most.